Good morning, everyone. I'm Lori Mazor. I'm the CEO of the company called Synthetivity. Synthetivity is a word that combines synthesis and creativity because everything that we generate is coming from the world that's around us. I started this company about 10 years ago, but I pivoted very recently into AI. I thought maybe it would be fun to start using it as an artistic tool. I was trained as an architect, and about a year ago, I left my corporate job in order to figure out what was next, and I started playing around with AI. Well, I became an AI generative artist. I've developed a whole body of work, and then I thought, well, I wonder if corporate executives could value this kind of training. And so I started a company that trains people like you to use generative AI. All of the materials you're going to see today are all generated with AI. This is Alex with his family. And I say that I teach AI with a human touch, which means that let's put people first. Why do we want to use these technologies? So that we can spend more time with our friends and our families, so that we can spend more time living real life.